Alam mo ba kung sino ang taong hindi natakot mabigo? Si Elon Musk, born in South Africa. Bata pa lang si Elon ay mahilig na sa coding. At age 12, he created a video game and sold it. Pagdating niya sa Amerika, hindi siya agad naging successful. Zip2, nabenta, PayPal, na-force out siya. Pero hindi siya tumigil. He went on to build SpaceX even when rockets exploded. He started Tesla kahit halos walang naniniwala sa kanya. Nabaon siya sa utang. Halos mawalan ng bahay. Pero ang vision niya to change the world never stopped burning. Ang tagumpay, hindi biglaan. It's built through failure, grit, and purpose. So kung nadapa ka, remember Elon. Get back up, work smart, and dream big. Push your limits. You never know what you're capable of.